You are looking at Times Square on another chilly New York morning. A small dusting of snow expected to hit the city today. Well, good morning from the Nasdaq MarketSite. I'm Ruben Ramirez. Stock index futures pointing to a higher open when trading gets underway. A very busy day on the earnings front. Lots of retailers set to report results today. But first, let's get a check of European markets about midway through their trading day. As you look, the numbers all in the red across the board this morning. Earnings reports and some downgrades weighing on the markets there. One bright spot, though, shares of Airbus. In Tokyo, the Nikkei ended down 0.5%. Well, Lowe's is out with quarterly results, which rose 6% from the same period last year. The country's second largest home improvement chain earning 31 cents a share, matching Wall Street forecasts. Sales at stores open at least a year were up roughly 4% for the quarter. The company's board also authorizing a $5 billion share buyback program. Target will report its first quarterly results since it suffered the data breach where 70 million customers were compromised. Wall Street forecasts are for earnings of 80 cents a share, though analysts do believe that Target will have to slow its share buyback program to cover costs associated with the cyber attack. Abercrombie Fitch will also post results today. The teen-focused retailer expected to post profits of $1 a share. And after the close tonight, we'll get quarterly results from JCPenney. The department store chain expected to post a loss of 81 cents a share for the fourth quarter. Earlier this month, the struggling retailer said its same-store sales climbed 2% in the latest quarter. And Barnes Noble, another retailer, expected to report profits today of 51 cents a share. Just last week, private equity firm G Asset Management offered to buy a controlling stake of Barnes Noble at $22 a share. They also offered to buy a controlling stake in its Nook unit, putting a value of $5 a share on that part of the business. And as you can tell, yesterday, shares of Barnes Noble closing at $17.72. Well, our action alert this morning is Netflix. It ended yesterday's session at $454 a share. Our Jim Cramer says he's a little cautious on shares of the company, which have continued to move higher because they've broken away from every metric that he uses to measure shares. But he does say investors should consider owning the name and buying on any pullbacks as a hedge against momentum money managers who continue pushing the shares higher. Well, for all the latest business news headlines throughout the day, visit TheStreet.com. In New York, I'm Ruben Ramirez. Have a great day.